How to use a weed eater. You strive hard to maintain a nicely landscaped yard, but the long hours of kneeling to pull weeds has got to stop. You've decided to give your back a break and start using a weed eater, which is a lawn care device that uses a plastic string that whips quickly to get rid of weeds and other unwanted plant material. Things you will need: safety goggles, long-sleeved shirt, long pants. Determine what kind of weed eater fits your requirements: electric, battery or gas operated. For sculpting small yards and landscaping around flower beds, consider an electric or battery-powered weed eater. Gas weed eaters provide great power and work well for any project, large or small. Map out a plan for using your weed eater. If you have a large yard, decide where you're going to start weed eating. For flower beds and contouring, use chalk to outline the perimeters to stay within. Protect yourself before using the weed eater. Because weed eaters can throw objects and debris back toward you, wear proper protective clothing such as safety eye goggles, long-sleeved shirts, and long pants. Start your weed eater. For electric weed eaters, use an extension cord and find an electrical outlet accommodating to your entire project so you're not having to stop your work in progress to find another electricity source. Make sure your battery is fully charged and there's another battery on hand for battery-powered weed eaters. With gas weed eaters, use the correct combination of gas and oil as required by the weed eater's manufacturer. Make side-by-side sweeping movements with a weed eater, and follow your plan in step 2 to complete your weed eating project. Tips: warnings. With electric weed eaters, beware of the extension cord's presence to avoid clipping it with the weed eater.